plugged in, working. Kind of nice. And the power supply actually has a blue light. Kind of looks green there, but it's blue, very blue. So we'll give it a spin and see what it sounds like. Maybe. Going to be a quick one, just to make sure everything's actually working. Oh, that would help if the speakers were plugged in, huh? There we go. I'll get everything together and moved into the proper places and stuff, but right now it sounds the same. But I will say that looks cool. It just looks cool. I love it. Now to see how far back I can get the cabinet. Okay, more to come. Still working it. Got the Panamax back in, but we're using that just for the home theater and the fan, and we're using that for the DVD player and the TV. So pretty cool. Okay, so we're still running the 2-system setup. Yes. All right, so what we did is we got the W3900 put in with our power cable. Can't really see back there. I got it pretty well hidden. So I had to put holes through for the big power cable, so they actually come through like that. That one, pretty much, the plug is right there as well. So it comes straight through. Keep things nice and clean. Upgraded, but like I say, I don't think there's any difference in sound. Now that may be because of my system, but pretty cool. Glad I did it anyway. It looks good. If nothing else, it looks good. Alright, I am the amazing Papa. Had some fun this morning. Now let's get it all back into place and really listen to it. Thanks! She's amazing. I love her music. SACD, really good. I saw it on some channel and they linked her, so I'm going to do the same. Give you a link to buying this SACD. It's amazing. You should give it a spin and listen to it. Really good. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. I hope you got something out of this crazy video. Thank you.